So we have taken a review meeting of all the line department who are undertaking work under disaster management. We broadly discussed about the desilting of Nala work, then what action has been taken in the landslide prone area and where incidents have also been reported. Then regarding the tree cutting, then flood prone areas also, what action they have taken. Now, what was observed was panchayats and municipalities are still doing the work. They are asking for more time, like 1 week's time or 2 weeks' time, to undertake this desilting of nalas and gutter work. So I think because of that, we had in some areas some amount of flooding and all, especially in Salsett Taluka. So we have given direction to the BDOs and the chief officers to ensure that the work is being done on priority and quickly. Now, regarding tree cutting, electricity department has said they have undertaken the work. Now, we are looking forward to PWD divisions also to ensure that the dangerous trees which are leaning onto the roads to be removed quickly. Then, regarding landslide prone area, in certain cases like in Salsett especially, we have issued the order. In other areas where we are expecting landslide, work has already started, but we have asked the different departments as well as the Taluka Mamladar and Deputy Collector to give us a list of such area. We have already given them instructions, some are in pipeline, but we have asked them to expedite on that again. Then regarding flood prone area also, wherever dewatering or depumping is required, we have given instruction, and in Salsett there are certain areas where WRD has already engaged pumps and all. We are seeing whether that would be sufficient to handle the crisis at the moment. Also, we have given instruction to the departments to ensure that in next 1 week all this work is being done.
Regarding road digging, madam, still there is a lot of issues about road digging being continued despite your order.
That also I have flagged to the PWD, electricity and other people. In fact, I have just spoken to the electricity officials also. There are certain cases where they have taken exemption from me, like in Majoda side and other places. So they are doing work with the permission. But we have told them to finish it quickly, not to take too much time, and to do the whatever work there quickly.